want the silver, the gold, the diamond. Once you reach those milestones, you have to pay for it. And I'm definitely gonna pay for mine once I get it. Okay? Y'all too? I know that's right. I know that's right. It is 11:33. Say a prayer because God is good. All right, so 1133 because it's 11:33 means to fully express yourself. Don't dwell on the past and be grateful. So say a prayer because God is good for all those things and more. Dang, homegirl say the easiest thing is to vote Nick out and we have a better chance. Nick finna go, because that's what it definitely looked like they was trying to say. Nick is definitely finna get the boot, honey. Alright, so we pretty much gonna watch it in. Like, how we gonna watch pretty much all the way to the end, decide that we just don't want to see who gonna win. So if you want to see who gonna win, definitely tap into it. Because again, like I said, I really want to watch it to see who gonna win. I just want to look at the production. I want to see what they were gonna do. Because like I said, I'm not subscribed to Mr. Beast, but I do like seeing the production that he comes up with. Because again, that's something that I like to do for my channel. I love to, take my thoughts that God has given me and execute on a production, level like that. I love how they use their creativity to come up with these things. Even like Kai, when he came together to collab with his collab with Mr. Beast and replicate his room and do the fireworks for the 4th of July. Like, I never would have thought to do anything like that. I love that. I really do. So, I said eventually I want to have that coming soon, okay? Oh, wow. So Avion Crockett is even saying that it looks a little aged. I want to hear what he said, what he got to say about it, because my grandma just definitely firmly is just like, as soon as my auntie called, that ain't real. They trying to get up. My grandma was just like, it's not real. So I definitely want to see what Avion Crockett has to say about it. All right, if you have on earphones, turn them down because I'm about to reduce reuse recycle this bottle. Not really, but yeah, in another way. So. I know I can be what I want to be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I want to be. Be. That's what I was saying. That's my song. Because we ain't hear from him in a long time. So the fact that you get on here to talk about the fact that you think that it was a little stage. Like, when is the last time that you heard from Avion Crockett for real? Because me, I'm like, is he finally talking about it? Oh, he's still touring? Like a gun. Okay. I ain't mean to say it like that, but I'm like, okay, I kind of get what he's saying. Because it was giving pew, pew, pew. Not pow, pow, pow. That's just how I imagine. Because I'm like, I ain't never done nothing but shot BB guns and paintball guns and not the ones with bullets.